So I designed and 3D printed this organizer here for my powerpacks. It's got these dividers that snap in. There's a ridge down at the bottom, so they actually snap in. I'm probably going to put a bit of more of a radius on here because they're difficult to snap in sometimes. But it ain't coming out. In any case, put that in. Of course, you can print out as many of these as you need. And then the power packs drop in like so. And it's not only for power packs. Here we have a USB hub. And we have a place here for cables that are wrapped up. Or anything else that fits in there. Another cable here. And I can throw my headlight in here. And I can throw my spare phone in here if I want. If I had another divider, I could do that. I'll let it share that. And I made it to fit this, which is this is a battery pack and an old Clementine crate that I repurposed. And this is zip tied in, so now I have this handy caddy here. Oh, I have an extra cable. I'm going to put that in here. So lots of room for expansion. Very modular. These are basically tie wraps. And pretty great. I'm very happy with it. Yeah, you can download this at Cults 3D and print it yourself.